Question number 3. Unlike fractions again in ascending order. So A, B, C, D I have done. E you will do on your own. Is same as question number D. F I will tell you. When we are given with the mixed fractions, how to change them in ascending order. So first of all, mixed fractions we will change in improper fraction. Okay, so first one is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5. Then 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 4, 34 upon 15. 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 7, 37 upon 15. 25 2s are 50 plus 9, 59 upon 25. 11 upon 5. Then 61 upon 25. You can see here I have written all the improper fractions. 25 2s are 50, 50 plus 10 60. Okay, correct. So this is your improper fraction. Now after this, when we have different denominators and we have different numerators, both denominator is also different and numerators are also different, both the things are different, that time what is our next step? We have to find the LCM of the given denominators. Keep in mind this thing, numerator and denominator, if both are different, that time we have to find the LCM of the given denominators. Okay, so here we will find the LCM of what? 5, 15 and 25. Okay, so I'll write 5, 15, 25. If you will see here now, 15 is repeated 2 times, 5 also and 25 also. So no need to write 2 times. You can just write 1 times and find the LCM also. So with the table of 3, 5 will be same, then again 5, then 25. Now 5, 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1. 3 5s are 15 and 15 5s are 75. So LCM is 75. What is the next step? We'll write 13 upon 5. Okay, and equal to, downside we will write 75. Now in the table of 5, this 75 will come how many times? 75 will come 15 times, is it? So 13 also we will multiply with 15. Clear? In rough you can multiply 13 and 15. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, then 6, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1, then 5 9, 195. Okay, 195 will be written here. Similarly with other digits, other fractions also, 34 upon 15 equal to this 75 you will write here. In the table of 15, 75 will come 5 times, this also into 5. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, and then like this. Got it? And then 37 upon 15, again it will come 5 times. So this also into 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, and then like this. Next one is 59 upon 25. 59 upon 25. Here it will come 75. In the table of 25, 75 will come into 3. So 59 also into 3. 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 15 plus 2, 17. We are done with 59. We have to do 11 by 5 now. So 11 by 5 equals 75. In the table of 5, 75 will come how many times? 15 times. 11 also into 15 you will do. In rough you can do 11 into 15. 5 1s are 5, 5, 1, 1, 5, 6 and 1, 65 will come. After this 61 upon 25. 61 upon 25. Here it will be into 3, into 3 1s are 3, 6 are 18. Clear? Now you know, see here all the given answers. 195 upon 75. Then 170 upon 75, 185, then 177. All the places if you will see, denominators are same. When denominators are same, what we have to see? Numerators. Which is the smallest numerator here? 165. 165 is with 11 upon 5. This 165 is with 11 upon 5. Now this 11 upon 5 is under which number? 11 upon 5 is under your 2 1 by 5. Keep in mind our question was given in mixed fraction. So answer also will be in mixed fraction only. Clear? So 165 was the smallest. After 165 we have 170. 170 is under 34 upon 15, and this 34 upon 15 is your second one, na? So here what is the second one? 2 4 upon 15. So 2 whole 4 upon 15. After this this is done, this also is done. Then 60 and 70 done. Then we have 177. Another smallest is 177, which is under 59 by 25. So 59 by 25 is the 2 9 upon 5. 2 9 upon 25. So 2 9 upon 25. I hope you all are getting this solution. 165 done, 70 done, and this also is done. After this 183, that is 61, last one. Na? So here last one is 211 by 25. After this this also is done. What we are left with? 185, that is 37 upon 15 means 2 7 upon 15. 2 7 upon 15. 185 also done. Now the first one, which is 13 upon 5 and 2 3 upon 5. This is your complete answer for the question. Got it clear? So when we are given in the mixed fraction, when we are given with the mixed fraction, first we will change mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that LCM, and rest of the steps are same.